Good morning to all of you. Good morning, children. Children, can you see my screen? Yes. A very good morning to all of you. Healthy morning to all the children. So, children, in today's class, we are going to start with our new chapter, and the name of the chapter is combustion. We are going to start chapter combustion. All are in. You can unmute yourself, and in between, you can speak also. I had given you option is on, turning on. You can unmute in between and then you can speak also. Can you hear me? Am I audible properly? Yes, children?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So, children, our topic for today is combustion. We are going to start with our new chapter, that is combustion. So, first of all, the first question here is what combustion exactly is. So, children, you have to understand that combustion means when any substance, please unnecessarily do not unmute yourself in between, it will create disturbance for me as well for the class. Udit, you want to say something?
नो सर गलती से हो गया था
गलती से नहीं होना चाहिए प्लीज. So what combustion is, that is the area of concern. Combustion means when any substance, when we burn any substance in the presence of air, the substance reacts with oxygen and simultaneously produces heat. That process is called combustion. जब हम किसी सब्सटेंस को एटमॉस्फेरिक एयर की प्रेजेंस में या ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में हम उसे गर्म करते हैं तो वो सब्सटेंस ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट कर जाती है. द सब्सटेंस रिएक्ट्स विद ऑक्सीजन and new products are formed with evolution of heat. Heat is produced and new products are formed. Let's see. With burning of magnesium ribbon, I am having a ribbon with me, that is a metal with me in the form of a ribbon. This is magnesium ribbon I am having. Okay, so I will be burning this magnesium ribbon in the presence of air. Okay, so we will see what will happen. Have you seen burning of magnesium ribbon before? Yes, children.
यस सर
Okay.
Yes.
Those who have seen,
Yes,
please
sir.
raise the hand. Those who have seen, please
सर
raise the
लाइव
hand.
ऐसे मतलब लाइव फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं वीडियो में देखी है
वीडियो में देखा था, लाइव आप फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो. सो लेट मी शो यू दिस मैग्नीशियम रिबन. बेसिकली इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. सो मैग्नीशियम रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन. मैग्नीशियम ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्ट करके इसके सरफेस पर एक लेयर फॉर्म हो जाती है, दैट इज मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. अ लेयर इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ मैग्नीशियम, दैट इज मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. सो इट हैज़ टू बी रिमूव्ड फर्स्ट. आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिमूव्ड. यू कैन स्क्रैप इट विद द sand paper or with any other substance. Now with the help of matchstick I am going to combust it. You have to be a bit careful because it burns with white dazzling flames. It will take time to reach its ignition point. कोई भी सब्सटेंस तभी बर्न करती है जब वो अपने इग्निशन टेम्परेचर पर पहुंच जाती है. एनी सब्सटेंस बर्न्स व्हेन इट रीचेस इट्स इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. सो यहाँ पर जो कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस है वो हमारे पास मैग्नीशियम रिबन है. जो सपोर्टर ऑफ कंबस्टन है, जो कंबस्टन को सपोर्ट करता है, वो ऑक्सीजन है हमारे पास यहाँ पर. और जब तक इसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर रीच नहीं करेगा तब तक ये बर्न नहीं करने वाला है. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बर्न. आई हैव टू कीप ऑन ट्राइंग अगेन एंड अगेन. इट विल बर्न. Just give me a second. Actually, I am not having candle with me, otherwise it could have. Kindly wait for a while. It's already too hot. Fan is not running because I have to turn on the matchstick. I think it's not possible to burn it without mastic. Let me scrap its head again so that if it's there and any magnesium oxide is there, it can be removed.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड एटमॉस्फेरिक अगर बाहर मतलब एटमॉस्फेयर में जाता है तो नहीं बर्न करता?
No, because to burn it has to reach its ignition temperature. It has not reached its
सर तो
ignition.
ऐसा कौन
Yes,
तो ऐसा कौन सा मटेरियल है जो आपने एक बार यूट्यूब पे दिखाया था कि जो बर्न करता है एटमॉस्फेयर में आने के
that was
बाद ही?
phosphorus.
ओके सर.
I think it will burn, but it is taking much time.
सर 2 मैच स्टिक्स इकट्ठे लेके देख लो.
एक्चुअली जब तक वो हीट पहुंचती है तब तक मैस्टिक बंद हो जाता है.
सर 2-3 मैच स्टिक इकट्ठे चला लो.
Yes, I'm doing the same thing, but it's not helping me out. Yes, it has started. So you can see the magnesium ribbon is burning with white dazzling flames. I hope you can see. Can you see, children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is burning with white dazzling flames. You have to be very careful. Okay. I'm using crucible to take out its extract. Now what has happened? The magnesium reacts with oxygen when it reaches its ignition temperature. So I'm unable to see anything. So you can see here, you can see white. This magnesium ribbon has changed its color into white. That is basically magnesium oxide is formed. Magnesium oxide is basically basic in nature. If you add this into water, it will form an alkaline solution. It will form magnesium hydroxide. With the help of indicators, you can also check that the solution is basic. So what combustion is? Combustion is when a substance, a combustible substance, you require a combustible substance, like here I am having combustible substance, this magnesium ribbon. Supporter of combustion, that is oxygen. What is supporter of combustion? That is oxygen, which is helping me out to burn this magnesium ribbon. And what combustion is? Combustion is reacting of the substance with oxygen when it reaches its ignition temperature. If it do not reaches its ignition temperature, it will not burn. I was keep on trying to increase the temperature, but it was not burning. But as it reaches its ignition temperature, it starts burning. Means it starts reacting with oxygen to form new product. Before it was magnesium only, now it's magnesium oxide is formed. If I mix it with water, it will form magnesium hydroxide. Now children, let's see whether oxygen is really required for combustion or not. We are going to perform an activity in which we will be, I'll be explaining you that really oxygen is required. Oxygen is required for combustion to take place. So for that purpose, I'll be taking a page, I'll be burning a page, I'll be using a page which I'll be burning, and we will see that in the presence of oxygen it will burn, but as there will be no oxygen it will not burn. So let's see, let's start. I am having a container here. At bottom I have placed the strainer so that there is no harm to the marble. So I will be placing this crucible over the top so that there is no oxygen inside. So you will see that the combustion will stop. So the page is burning now. Let me put it here. Now I'm going to put it here, this crucible here. Now you can see it will burn till the oxygen is there. When there will be no oxygen, it will stop. It will not burn. Now you have seen inside there is oxygen. So it is not burning now, it has stopped burning because till तब जब तक इसके अंदर ऑक्सीजन था तब तक ये बर्न करता रहा. It was combusting till there was oxygen in the container. As there is no oxygen in the container now, it has stopped burning, and inside I am having the gases. It could be carbon dioxide or some harmful gases. So let's move them out of the jar. The gases are coming out of the jar. There was no oxygen inside. You can see these are the gases which are coming out of this jar. So we have done two activities. The first activity which shows us that what combustion is. When you burn a substance in the presence of oxygen, there is a combustible substance that I have used magnesium ribbon. Then oxygen was required, that is supporter of combustion, and the ignition temperature has to be reached. If it reaches its ignition temperature, it will burn. If it do not reaches its ignition temperature, it will not burn. So what combustion is? Combustion is reacting of the substance in the presence of oxygen to produce heat. That is called combustion. That is called combustion. So number one was combustible substance. Let me recall the things. Number one was combustible substance. The substance which burn in air or oxygen are called combustible substances. For example, petrol, LPG, CNG, they all are combustible substances. There are other substances which do not burn, do not catch fire in air. They are like glass is there, water is there, they will evaporate. Glass will not catch fire. So they are non-combustible substances. And the third one is supporter of combustion. Who is supporter of combustion? Your oxygen is a supporter of combustion. With the second activity, we came to know if there is no oxygen, then there will be no production, there will be no combustion at all, because oxygen helps in combustion. If there is no oxygen, then there will be no combustion. Clear, children? The third one was ignition temperature. Unless the substance do not reaches its ignition temperature, it will not catch fire. Yes?